Welcome to my channel. Today we will going to see about interface, but before we get dive into an interface, let me show you what an abstraction means in Java programming. As the name indicates, hiding the internal implementation of a feature or internal detail of a feature and only showing the functional to the clients. So it hides how those features are implemented behind the scene, right? So an interface in Java is a blueprint for a class. So the class which implements that interface will going to implement all the abstract methods of an interface. So an interface has static constants, whether we define it or not. They are by default static and final. So once we initialize the value of these variables, we cannot be able to update them, right? The other, all the methods will be purely abstract, so we will going to have only the method pose type rather than the method definition or method implementation. So there can only be abstract method. There will not be any method definition right there. Interface is the way Java achieves multiple inheritance, since Java does not allow a class to inherit from two different classes within the same level. We have multi-level inheritance, but within the same level it will going to inherit from a single superclass, only single superclass. But the way Java applies multiple inheritances through interface. So there are three main reasons behind using an interface. The first, interface they are used to achieve abstraction. They can be used to support functionality of multiple inheritance through implementing many interfaces within a single class. They can be used as to achieve a loose coupling between objects. So let me show you the syntax to create an interface. We don't have an interface keyword right here. We don't have interface name. So right here we don't have a curly braces. So we're going to provide the static constant as well as the purely abstract method right here. So the other is if you don't have an interface, we should have to implement an interface within a certain concrete class so as to provide the implementation of the abstract methods. So to implement an interface, we're going to use the keyword implements. So here is the syntax. We don't have access modifier, we don't have class name. This is the concrete class name, and we don't have implements keyword right here, and we don't have an interface name right here. We can provide more than one interface. So the main thing that we're going to provide here is a comma, and we're going to put another interface. So within a single class we can be able to implement many interface as we want, as we like. Now let me show you how we're going to practically create an interface and how we're going to implement an interface with a concrete class. So I do have Eclipse IDE right here. So let me create an interface. So new interface, then let me give it a name, AC stuff. So let me have a method public void display. So I will going to provide here only the method prototype. Will not going to provide the method definition right here. So let me create another concrete class. So when we create an interface, we don't have a public access modifier, we don't have interface keyword, and we're going to put the interface name right here. So as to implement this interface, let me create another class, another concrete class right here. AC stuff implement. Then I will make main method right here. So I got it here. So let me provide implements. Then I will give it this interface name there. Let me paste it here, and I will going to provide the unimplemented methods. So this is the override method. So let me put it here. So right now I can be able to create an object of this class. So class name, then object name. Let me take it xy or any other object name. Then new. Right here we're going to invoke a constructor. So right now I can be able to access the method, right, which is display. So let me provide a statement right here. This is method implementation. So when I invoke this method, I will going to expect the output should have to be this is method implementation will be display. Let me run as an application. Okay, proceed. This is method implementation will be display. So this is all about how to create an interface and how to implement an interface.
It's enough for today. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tech insights. Let's keep learning and growing together. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and see you soon.